Hello and welcome to the periodic table of Google Analytics. Today we're going to be talking about the site speed reports that you have within Google Analytics. These reports are an intermediate level report because it might require some configuration in order to get this to work effectively for you. The basic premise behind the site speed report is that there's a rooster in the background. That's cool. The basic premise behind the site speed reports is that when you are looking in Google Analytics, you can understand how long it takes for somebody to load your website. And it goes from the beginning, the top of your code on your website, from when Google Analytics is first instantiated, all the way to the end of your website when it fully loads. And so this can take anywhere from a second to 20 seconds. I've seen something take 20 minutes, so it can run the gamut. Now, the site speed reports occur automatically for about 1% of the traffic that goes to your website. This is something that just by installing Google Analytics, you have access to this for 1% of your visitors. And my pro tip is if you want to get more than 1% of your visitors in order to use the Google Analytics site speed report, you can adjust your sampling rate. And when you adjust your sample rate, you can adjust anywhere from 1% to 10% to 100%, so you can have 100% of your visitors. Now there's a limitation to how many of these you can capture in a day, but most Google Analytics users do not run into this limitation. So that's my pro tip, and the thing that you want to be aware of when you're looking at this report is that there's actually better tools out there for measuring site speed than this report in Google Analytics. Now this is nice because it is based on your users, it's based on their experience, how long it takes to load, but you might find that somebody's on a poor connection on mobile, and this skews your numbers. There's all kinds of things that can skew your numbers within 1%, so make sure you do listen to that pro tip about adjusting the site speed sample rate in order to get a higher percentage of people. And this report, as I said, is an intermediate report and can be used by anybody, but it does require some configuration if you want to get the most out of it. And so that's it for this lesson on the periodic table of Google Analytics. For more elements, visit Jeffalytics.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.